In the rich and intricate mythology of ancient Greece, Hermes stands out as one of the most versatile and important deities. Known as the messenger of the gods, Hermes embodies the qualities of speed, cunning, and communication. He is also associated with trade, travel, and the boundaries between the mortal and divine realms, making him an essential figure within the Greek pantheon. Hermes is the son of Zeus and the nymph Maia, and he is often depicted as a youthful figure, characterized by his athletic build and agility. His attire typically includes a winged helmet, Petassos, and winged sandals, Talaria, symbols of his swift nature and ability to cross realms with ease. These attributes reflect his role as a guide and messenger, capable of traversing both the earthly and the celestial. In addition to his physical representations, Hermes is associated with several tools that further underscore his domains. The caduceus, a staff entwined with two serpents, is one of his most recognizable symbols, often mistakenly associated with medicine, but originally representing peace and trade. Hermes is also linked to the concept of boundaries, guiding travelers between worlds and representing the intersection of different realms. As the herald of Olympus, Hermes delivers messages and commands from the gods to mortals, and vice versa. His role as a communicator emphasizes the importance of connection and understanding between these realms, which is central to many myths. Hermes is revered as the patron of merchants and travelers. He oversees trade and the exchange of goods, symbolizing the flow of commerce and the necessity of communication in business dealings. Hermes also plays a crucial role in guiding souls to the underworld, known as Hermes Psychopompos. He ensures that the deceased safely navigate their passage into the afterlife, highlighting his position as a link between life and death. Hermes is often depicted as a clever and resourceful trickster. His cunning nature allows him to outwit others, and he frequently engages in playful schemes. This aspect of his character adds complexity to his mythology, illustrating the duality of deception and truth. Hermes appears in numerous myths that highlight his unique attributes and multifaceted nature. One of the most famous stories portrays his cleverness from the moment of his birth. According to myth, he was born in a cave on Mount Selene and immediately exhibited his resourceful nature. Just hours after his birth, Hermes stole cattle from his half-brother Apollo. To cover his tracks, he cleverly crafted the first lyre from a tortoise shell, demonstrating both his musical talent and his cunning. This act of theft led to a confrontation with Apollo, who was furious about the loss of his cattle. However, Hermes charmed Apollo with his music and proposed a trade, offering the lyre in exchange for the caduceus and the title of the protector of herds. This myth not only showcases Hermes' wit, but also emphasizes his ability to mediate and bring balance between conflicting parties. Another significant myth is the story of Hermes and the discovery of fire, where he is credited with bringing this essential element to humanity. In some versions, he steals fire from the gods to share with mortals, highlighting his role as a benefactor of human civilization. Additionally, Hermes is prominently featured in the tale of the Trojan War. He plays an essential role in guiding the hero, Odysseus, through various challenges on his journey home, providing him invaluable advice and intervention whenever necessary. His assistance underscores his importance as a protector of travelers and his ability to navigate the complexities of human experience. Hermes' relationships with other gods and mortals further illustrate his complex character. He shares a particularly close bond with Apollo, stemming from their mythological encounters following Hermes' birth. Their relationship evolves from rivalry to friendship, with Hermes becoming a revered figure among the Olympians. As a messenger, Hermes interacts frequently with other deities, including Zeus, who relies on him for swift communication. He often serves as a mediator, facilitating dialogue and negotiations among the gods. This aspect of his character underscores his role as a bridge between realms and beings. Hermes also has romantic relationships with various nymphs and deities, resulting in multiple offspring, including Pan, the god of nature, and the chthonic deities known as the Hermaphrodites. His connections with mortals and deities reinforce his role in the intertwining of divine and human experiences. Hermes's influence extends beyond mythology into the cultural fabric of ancient Greek society. He was widely worshipped, with numerous shrines and altars dedicated to him throughout Greece. His attributes and domains made him particularly appealing to travelers, merchants, and those seeking guidance in transitions or journeys. Festivals dedicated to Hermes often included athletic competitions and artistic events, reflecting his connection to both sport and creativity. His playful and cunning nature resonated with the Greek ideals of cleverness and resourcefulness, making him a beloved figure in both public and private spheres. In art and literature, Hermes has appeared extensively, often representing themes of communication, trade, and the complexities of life. His character serves as a reminder of the balance between the mortal and divine, offering insights into the importance of connectivity and understanding in human relationships. Hermes is a multifaceted deity in Greek mythology, embodying the qualities of a messenger, guide, trickster, and protector. His roles encompass communication, trade, and the intersection of life and death, showcasing a character rich in complexity and significance. Through his various myths and relationships, Hermes serves as a vital figure in the pantheon, reminding us of the power of words, the importance of commerce, and the necessity of connection in a vast and intricate world.